Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to remove you may like suggestions on TikTok. If you're tired of seeing those you may like suggestions on TikTok, here's how to refresh them. Head to your profile, tap the triple bar menu at the top right, then go to Settings and Privacy. From there, select Content and Display and open the Activity Center. Instead of scrolling, go straight to the Watch History, tap Select in the top right, choose Select All, and delete your watch history from the past 180 days. This should reset your recommendations so TikTok stops suggesting videos based on your old viewing habits. You can also clear your recent searches by tapping the X beside them. With a clean slate, your You May Like feed will feel refreshed and tailored to what you actually want to see now. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.